What if the secret to clearing stubborn yeast infections isn't just about cutting sugar or taking another round of meds? There are 3 under-the-radar nutrients your body may be quietly craving. And when you feed them right, the difference is night and day. Yeast infections can be relentless: itching, burning, bloating, and that frustrating feeling like something's just off. But the root causes go far deeper than hygiene or even antibiotics. We're talking gut balance, estrogen detox, immune function, and even your blood sugar stability. And the solution? It might start with what you sip or spoon up in your kitchen. In this video, you'll learn about 3 powerhouse nutrients that fight yeast overgrowth naturally, plus how to get them in delicious, easy-to-make drinks or soups. These aren't your typical advice like take probiotics. We're going deeper into nutrients your body uses to actually restore balance. If you've ever struggled with recurring infections, especially around your cycle or when stressed, this is for you. I'll also walk you through how each ingredient supports your hormones, inflammation levels, and immune response. So if you want to feel confident, clear, and in control of your body again, stick around. Welcome to PCOS Insights, your #1 hormone supportive channel that give you science-backed solutions to real-life health issues like PCOS, endo, gut health, and cycle balance. If that's something you need more of in your life, hit like, subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's start with vitamin A, a nutrient most people overlook in vaginal health, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining the mucosal lining, especially in the vaginal and gut microbiomes. Healthy mucosa means fewer cracks for candida to sneak in and overgrow. It also supports immune surveillance, which helps your body detect and fight fungal imbalances faster. Here's a cozy way to get it: a carrot ginger soup rich in beta-carotene. Sauté chopped onions and garlic in olive oil. Add 5 peeled chopped carrots, a thumb of fresh ginger, and about 3 cups of veggie broth. Simmer until soft, blend until smooth, and add a dash of turmeric and lemon juice before serving. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which converts into active vitamin A. This helps rebuild damaged mucosal tissue and supports epithelial cell turnover. That's essential if you've had repeated infections or irritation. Ginger isn't just for flavor. It has antifungal compounds like gingerol that may suppress candida growth. It also stimulates bile flow, helping your liver metabolize excess estrogen. Estrogen dominance is often linked to recurrent yeast infections, especially in the luteal phase. When estrogen isn't broken down properly, it can feed fungal growth by making tissues more glycogen-rich. That's why pairing vitamin A with liver-friendly spices like turmeric and ginger is so powerful. The turmeric in this soup contains curcumin, which supports liver detox pathways and reduces systemic inflammation. Low-grade inflammation can weaken the immune system's ability to fight yeast at the source. And lemon juice? It enhances liver enzymes and keeps the soup light and refreshing. Together, this soup isn't just delicious. It's a nutrient therapy that feeds your defense system. It's warm, grounding, and perfect for hormone repair during your cycle's second half. Plus, the fiber from the carrots feeds beneficial gut bacteria that crowd out candida naturally. If you felt like yeast infections keep returning after antibiotics, this is the type of nourishment that rebuilds you from the inside. It's healing comfort food with a mission. Zinc is your immunity's secret weapon and a key mineral in fighting off yeast overgrowth. It helps regulate inflammation, supports tissue repair, and strengthens your natural antifungal defenses. Many women with recurrent infections are unknowingly low in zinc, especially after stress or hormonal shifts. That's because zinc is quickly depleted during illness, poor sleep, or inflammation. A great way to boost your levels is through a hormone balancing smoothie using pumpkin seeds. Blend 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds, 1 banana, 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt, a pinch of cinnamon, and unsweetened almond milk to taste. Add ice if you want it cold and creamy. Optional. Toss in spinach for added magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse of zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats. Zinc helps reduce vaginal inflammation and supports the production of healthy cervical mucus. That mucus is your first line of defense against pathogens like candida. It also supports progesterone production, a hormone that stabilizes your cycle and helps reduce yeast-prone estrogen spikes. Greek yogurt adds probiotics, but also calcium and protein to stabilize blood sugar. Stable blood sugar is key since candida thrives in glucose-rich environments. Cinnamon in this smoothie isn't just for flavor. It helps improve insulin sensitivity. When insulin is balanced, your entire hormonal system stabilizes. Insulin resistance, common in PCOS and metabolic disorders, is a hidden driver of yeast flare-ups. Because when blood sugar is erratic, candida gets fed. This smoothie reduces that risk while flooding your system with antifungal micronutrients. Zinc also supports your gut lining, which is often compromised after antibiotics or inflammation. A healthy gut lining prevents fungal spores from leaking into your bloodstream. It's not just about treating the vaginal microbiome, it's about healing your gut too. And pumpkin seeds also contain phytosterols, compounds that reduce systemic inflammation naturally. Inflammation can lower immunity and make you more vulnerable to recurring infections. Plus, the fiber in the banana and spinach supports regular bowel movements, which is how you remove toxins and used up estrogen. Altogether, this smoothie is creamy, slightly sweet, and deeply nourishing. You'll feel stable, clearer, and more protected from the inside out. It's a daily reset for your hormones and your immune system. Caprylic acid is a medium-chain fatty acid found in coconut oil, and it has potent antifungal properties. It works by breaking down the cell walls of candida yeast, making it easier for your immune system to eliminate them. Unlike prescription antifungals, it's gentle on your microbiome. That's crucial if you're dealing with long-term imbalances. A great way to get it is through a light coconut green curry broth. In a pot, sauté garlic, ginger, and green curry paste in a bit of coconut oil. Add 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and 2 cups of veggie or chicken broth. Stir in sliced zucchini, spinach, and mushrooms. Simmer until veggies are tender. Coconut milk provides not just caprylic acid, but lauric acid too, another antifungal compound. Together, they disrupt fungal membranes and inhibit yeast from spreading. Ginger boosts circulation and immunity, helping your body identify and fight yeast more efficiently. Green curry paste often contains lemongrass and lime, which are antifungal and liver supportive. Spinach adds magnesium, which supports vaginal pH balance and reduces inflammation. Zucchini is light, hydrating, and helps alkalize the body naturally. The broth is warming without being heavy, which makes it perfect for when you're feeling off. Caprylic acid is especially helpful for women with chronic yeast issues that don't fully clear. It works systemically, meaning it can reach gut, skin, and vaginal tissues. By consuming it in food form, you avoid the harshness of supplements. And because it's paired with fiber-rich veggies, your gut microbiome gets the support it needs to rebuild. This is how you fight yeast without collateral damage to your digestion. The broth also supports bile production, which is key to estrogen detox. Poor bile flow is a hidden cause of hormonal imbalance and fungal overgrowth. Coconut oil naturally triggers bile release, helping your liver cleanse more efficiently. Over time, including caprylic acid in your diet can reduce inflammation, protect your mucosal linings, and prevent reinfection. This broth is a comfort food with clinical benefits. It's simple, delicious, and targeted for deep healing. If you've tried everything else, this may be your missing puzzle piece. Yeast infections aren't just a surface-level issue. They're often the signal of deeper hormonal or immune imbalances, and the solutions aren't always creams or pills. They're nutrients your body needs to rebalance. Vitamin A supports your mucosal linings, rebuilds tissue, and assists estrogen detox. Zinc helps your immune system fight fungal growth while stabilizing your blood sugar and progesterone levels. Caprylic acid gently kills off candida while protecting your gut and vaginal microbiome. Each of these nutrients is like a shield your body can use, if it's well-fed, well-supported, and not overloaded by stress or sugar. These drinks and soups aren't just recipes, they're tools for healing, crafted with intention and backed by science. And the best part? They're easy, affordable, and delicious, because healing doesn't have to be hard. It just has to be targeted. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's struggling with yeast infections or cycle issues. Leave a comment below. What's worked for you, or what are you trying next? And if you want more hormone-friendly, science-based support in your life, hit subscribe. I post weekly videos on gut health, hormonal balance,